What's up, everyone? I'm Briggs Anunobi, your luxury real estate expert, and wow, can't believe this is the final home of my coverage of the Utah Valley Parade of Homes. And guys, if you've missed these videos, go back on my channel and watch this series. It's an incredible series of home tours. Now, I wouldn't be Briggs if I didn't have an amazing house for you for this last video, so I'm leaving you guys with a certified showstopper on this series finale. Welcome to house number 27 by Millhaven Homes, and it's called the Tall Pines Traditional. It's an old world charm house with incredible modern designs and finishes throughout, and it's the perfect home for everyone in the family. This house has 6 bedrooms, 8 bathrooms, and just over 10,000 square feet, and it's a bargain in the $3 million price range. More information about this house and the builder will be in the description box below. And guys, please help me out by hitting that like button and subscribe button. And now, let's start the tour. As you enter this home, you're greeted by a 2-story foyer with this grand chandelier and elegant spiral staircase. And to your immediate right, you have this formal living room area. Love the fireplace with custom built-ins, and I'm loving the custom trim work as well. Wow. Now, I want to take everyone to the heart of the home, which is this unbelievable family area. Take a look. Gorgeous vaulted ceilings with immaculate trim work throughout, beautiful shiplap on the ceilings, and the custom built-ins are the perfect touch. Now, immerse yourself in this sun-lit formal dining space. Just incredible. But wait until you see this gourmet kitchen. Directly behind the kitchen is this really cool butler's pantry that has everything you need. Now, adjacent to the pantry is this unbelievable main floor laundry room that you would think is another living space. Wow. To finish off this wing is this really cool and creative addition to the home, and the first on the channel. Take a look at this in-home salon. Let's head to the left wing of the main floor to check out the office and the luxurious primary bedroom suite. Alright guys, so as you can see, this tour was filmed during the peak hours of the parade, so that's why there's so many people in the home. So please try to overlook the crowd as we tour the rest of this beautiful home. Now, let's head upstairs. thanks for tuning in and touring this home with me. Be sure to go back on my channel and watch the other homes from the 2023 Utah Valley Parade of Homes if you haven't already done so. Also, show your support by hitting that like button and subscribing to the channel if you haven't already done so as well. It's been real, Utah, but I'm on to the next city. I'll see you guys in Atlanta, Georgia. Peace.